Hello, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm going to show you how to make a pancake strawberry shortcake out of biscuit mix, and we're going to be frying it. Yes, you heard, we're going to fry it. Okay, so we're going to have some toppings on it. Oh, I'm sure you can't wait to see this. Okay, alright, give it a thumbs up if you like it. I think you'll like it. Share the video, subscribe, check out my links below, okay? And join me, will you? Let's do it. Okay. I got this big box of biscuit mix from Sam's Club, and it is 6 pounds for $4 and something. Now you can't beat that, right? Okay. So we're going to make this shortcake here, except my way, and we're going to fry it. So it's going to look, mine is going to look like a pancake, fried pancake. Can you believe that? That would turn into a shortcake. And I have some strawberries and whipped cream to go with that. Okay? Okay. Here's my whipping topping. I have some raspberry preserve, some strawberries, okay? Okay, let's get started. So in the frying pan here, I'm going to put some oil. Just enough to oil the bottom of the pan. And I'll turn that on and let that start heating up. Okay. This is my biscuit mix that I put in a bag. I have like maybe 5 of these bags that I made out of this one box because it's so big. Okay, so I have a 1/2 cup measure. So I have a 1/2 cup, putting in the bowl here. And then I'm going to take another maybe 3/4 of this 1/2 cup just to dust whip, okay? Alright, now I'm going to add some milk. And I mean drops at a time. So let's start off with about maybe 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And you're going to mix it. If you see you need more milk, which you probably will, definitely. So when you see it start getting, it's dry now and it's kind of knotting up into balls, you need more milk, okay? One, 2. 2 more tablespoons. That's about 5 tablespoons of milk. Okay, it's pretty wet now, okay? So now I'm going to add my extra biscuit mix in there until I get it to a thick consistency. You don't want it sticky, you want it thick. Some more. And I'm pushing down to see, to make sure it's not sticky in the middle. Okay, I'm going to cut my fire off because I don't want it to get too hot before I can get to it. Okay, I want a little more biscuit mix. Oh yeah, I can see now that I can now kind of touch the top and it's not sticking to my hand, but when I turned it over, it's sticky. So I put some more flour there. I'm using the same extra not flour, biscuit mix that I had in the cup. So remember, we started out with a half a cup, and then I had 3/4 of this half a cup for the extra that I'm using to continuously add to this so that I can get it to the point where it's no longer sticky. Okay, let me show you that. See? It's not sticky. Okay? Alright. So now, I'm going to move this stuff because we're going to spread it out on the counter here. All done with the milk. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on the counter here. I'm just spreading it out with my fingertips. Not too thin and not thick. Enough where you can pick it up without tearing it. Okay, I'm gonna turn my fire back on. I'm ready for it. Okay, I want you to see this. Look. See? Not sticky. Okay? This is how you want it. Okay, so now we're going to put it in the frying pan. And I can hear it bubbling a little. It'll catch up. I'm going to turn it up some. So I have my fire on number 7 on the stove. This is a gas stove. And you want to start looking underneath because you want to make sure it's not burning. Okay, so let me take a peek. Yeah, it's time for me to turn it. So I'm using 2 spatulas. I'm going to go underneath and flip it. Let me show you that. Okay. I'm just moving the frying pan so that the oil can get on all sides. I'm going to flip it one more time. Okay, so that's about done. Yeah, it's about done. So I'm going to cut the fire off. It's done when it puffs up and doubles in size, and you can see it's brown on both sides. Yeah, I'm liking it. Oh wow, nice. I want going to flip it one more time. Okay, I'm going to take that out and I'm going to put it on a plate. I'm going to wash my hands first. Okay guys, it's out of the frying pan. Our fried pancake shortcake. How about that? Okay. Alright, so now I have some margarine here. Wait a minute, let me turn so you can see me. There we go. Okay, I have some margarine here. Just going to brush the margarine on the top. It's nice and flaky too. Okay. Now I want to brush some raspberry jam on there. Okay. Now we're going to put some strawberries on here. I have some strawberries that I already sliced up. Gonna put them all around. Just make it pretty. Okay, now let's put some whipped cream in the middle. Oh boy, guys, look at that. Oh. Okay, now. So here's a strawberry that I cut slices down like this, okay? And then you just take and you spread it so the opposite direction. This one this to the left, this one to the right. Okay, but try not to break it apart. It's supposed to look like a flower. I'm going to sit that right there. Oh my, my, my. Hello. You like that? How about that? Okay. Let me give you the word of the day and I'll take a taste, okay? 1 second. Okay, the word of the day. The word of the day is the epidemic. The epidemic have plagued us for 3.5 months now. 3.5 months and counting. It seems like we can't catch a break. Let's look at it this way, okay? Let's put our mindset in a different place. And let's just assume that maybe it's not going to end anytime soon. I think if we put our mindset in that frame of mind, then we'll know how to move forward in life. We'll know how to prepare ourselves. We'll know how to set our mind so that at that point you're in survival mode, right? Survival mode is better than thinking it's going to end tomorrow and then end tomorrow and then end tomorrow, and really nobody really knows. Okay, so let's change our mindset and look at it as we're going to cope with this. Okay, that's the word of the day. Let's start coping with it and accept the fact that it might be here a while, and then that way we can move forward. Okay, all right, that's the word of the day. So let me show you our pancake shortcake. Will you look at that, how pretty that is? Can you imagine bringing that to the table if you have some company over? Oh my goodness. So the whole box, which is 6 pounds of the biscuit pancake mix, was $4 and something. The strawberries was a container for $2.99. The whipped cream, the whipped topping, was 99 cents. And the strawberry raspberry preserve was probably all of maybe 50 cents. Great dessert, right? Cheap, cheap. Okay, so let me taste. I want to taste for you. Here we go. Wow. You know what pops out right away? That raspberry preserve with the strawberries. Very, very good. It's crispy, soft, delicious, very good. Let me tell you, it's much better than making the biscuits and putting them in the oven and then making it into a strawberry shortcake. This is far better. Oh, it's so crunchy and delicious. The best, the best. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. You know you like it. Share the video and subscribe, okay? All right. Check out the links. Love you. Bye.